Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a sourdough starter. Comment the word sourdough down below for a free recipe. Here's what you'll need. A mason jar that could fit about 500 grams of fluid. You'll need some room temperature water, all-purpose flour, I use King Arthur's, a scale, a spoon or something to stir with, a paper towel, and also the ring lid that comes with it. First day you're going to add 25 grams of water and 25 grams of flour to the jar. Stir that up and then you're going to let that sit overnight. Don't touch it for at least 24 hours. On day two, it's going to look something like this. Really not much activity. It's going to look kind of like a thick paste. To that same jar, you're going to add 50 grams of flour, 50 grams of water. Stir it up and then let that sit for another 24 hours before you touch it again. Here we are on day three, and you can see that there's a little bit of bubbles now. It's starting to smell like bread. We're going to continue the 1:1:1 ratio. So that's 150 water, 150 flour. Stir that up and then let that sit for 24 hours. Today you're going to mark the jar so you can see how much it's risen the next day. Day four is the big day. It's the first day you're going to discard. So get a clean jar, add 50 grams of starter to it, 100 grams of water, and 100 grams of flour, which is a 1:2:2 ratio that you'll continue to do throughout the rest of this process. Now what you have left over is called discard. You can put that in the refrigerator and keep that for later. And you can see that the starter has tripled in size. Just keep feeding it the same way that we've been doing it, 1:2:2 ratio for about 7 more days, and it should be ready to bake with.